Welcome to Carb Manager. If you are a premium member, you can use meal plans to help you plan ahead and meet your goals. In this video, we will show you how to start one of Carb Manager's curated meal plans and how to create a calendar and shopping list to help you prepare. To start, go to Meals and select the Meal Plans tab. Choose from many week-long plans, including plans that are keto-friendly, low carb, and others. Select any plan to learn more about the meals that are included, the serving sizes, and how closely the nutrition totals meet your goals. You can also select any food or recipe in a plan to see its nutrition information and to change its serving sizes. If you want Carb Manager to try and adjust the amount of food in the plan to fit your macro goals, select the Scale option. If the plan can't be scaled, Carb Manager can suggest foods to meet your goals and add them to the plan. If you don't like a suggestion, you can either refresh it to see a new one or remove the suggestion from the plan. If the meal plan is drastically different from your macro goals, you'll be prompted to add or delete foods before scaling the plan. When your meals are set, you can start the plan immediately or pick a future date. The planned foods will be added to your daily log. If you want to print a calendar of all meals that are planned for any week, you can select that option from the Meal Plans tab. You can also generate a shopping list for every meal that you have planned. Use the list in Carb Manager while shopping, or print the list and take it with you. As you follow your meal plan each day, log each food that appears in your daily log. If you consume something different, just edit or remove the planned food, or log a different food as you normally would. For more information about curated meal plans and other ways to create or generate meal plans, check out our helpful knowledge base, including the article Start a Meal Plan at help.carbmanager.com.